My name is Kelly Wells. I'm the after sales manager here at Toyota Silverlink. I have been with Toyota approximately 20 years, within the job role for 3. So the investment that's been made into the workshop, we've had a whole new makeover in there. So we've had a whole new flooring, whole new tiling, brand new machinery's gone in there, all up to date. New ramps, we can take heavier ramps. We've got up to 4-ton ramps in there now, so we can take bigger vehicles, so we're commercial ready as well. New EV charger, so we're EV ready to go. Up to date diagnostic machines put in there as well. All the parts that we use are genuine Toyota parts, so the parts themselves come with a 12-month guarantee. Currently we have 2 Master Tech, so that is the highest level of technician through Toyota. Wealth of knowledge between the both of them. I've got 2 Pro Techs, so that's next down in command. So their level of expertise is second to none, and I also have 1 Service Tech. What it means to our loyal customers is that our technicians have a nicer, more comfortable, up-to-date, modern way of working, and hence makes a faster turnover for our customers while they're in our waiting area. So the express maintenance generates a quicker turnaround for your customer while they're on centre. When your customer arrives, there is a self-check-in booth, so they can authorise any additional work, drop their keys into the box, and when they come in, we will have 2 technicians working on their vehicle at one time, hence reducing the service time. We have a wealth of knowledge behind us, we have a wealth of community spirit, and we aim to give the best customer service possible.